Action verbs with short sentences. She brushes her hair. I lock the door. We water the garden. They chase a bull. He finds his book. She calls her mom. I wave to her. We set the table. They take a photo. He fills a glass. She reads aloud. I pet a cat. We play chess. They blow bubbles. He watches TV. She braids her hair. I laugh at the joke. We paint together. They ride horses. He rang the bell. She feeds the fish. I pour the juice. We sweep the room. They pack the boxes. He greets the guest. She presses the switch. I close the book. We read the menu. They color the map. He claps loudly. She starts the game. I pull the chair. We dry the dishes. They fix the clock. He points to the map. She puts the toys away. They wave the flag. I wear my shoes. We dig the soil. He smells the flower. She counts the pencils. I find my pen. We play with toys. They clap for the song. She throws a ball. light the lamp. I build a tower. We wear gloves. They pet the dog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch our next fun learning video.